Hey guys, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I shall be showing you guys a platform where you can earn an income passively online. So, if you are still at home, or you are a student, or you are 9 to 5 personnel, or someone that is actually looking for a legit platform where you can earn income passively online, this video is for you, because in today's video, I shall be showing you guys a platform called AitiMart. You see, AitiMart platform is a platform where you can get to invest your idle capital or your idle money. The capital yield 1% compound interest. I mean, your 1% or your money you put on this platform is going to yield you 1% compound interest every day. So the minimum investment in this platform is just $1. You get invest the minimum of $1. So now you should also note that the higher your capital, the higher your earning. So if this is what you are looking for, then stick around and don't skip this video, because in this video I'm going to show you all the strategy you need to know about this platform. I am going to show you guys everything you need to know about this platform, because I will be showing you guys how to create an account here, how to fund the account you have already created, then how you are going to minimize this platform, and that is going to make you to get more earning. So now, in this platform, I will be showing you peradventure is legit platform or a scam, because you see, this is the website or the which has been functioning over a year now. I just thought to share this platform now, because many of my people in my community have been asking me which of the platform can they be using so that they are going to be earning income. So I have a couple of ideas on this platform that I'm going to be showing you. So if you are seeing this platform for the first time, or you are viewing me for the first time, what I will want you to do right now, I mean, if you are coming to this channel for the first time, or watching me, or watching this video for the first time, what I would like you now to do, just go down and smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so that when next I release a video like this or any content like this, you will be updated. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's just jump into today's video. What I'm going to be doing here right now, and I want you to listen attentively, and I'm going to be dropping the links to this platform at the down description of this video, so that it's this link you are going to use to get to this site. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this interface. And when you get to this interface, it's going to ask you to put your first name, your last name, then your username, then your email address, then your partner ID. This partner ID, the moment you click on that link, the partner ID is going to be registered here. So now, the next thing you now need to do right now, you need to put this code you are seeing here. Once you are putting that code, the next thing for you right now is to click register. And once you are click register, you are free to go. Guys, I will want you to stick around to the end of this video. Why? The reason why is that I will be showing you different steps on how you are going to start depositing on this platform. And before you deposit on this platform, having created your account, the next thing now, you need to come to the top bar here. When you get to this top bar here, you are going to see that link your account to Google Authenticator. And why are they asking you to link your account to Google Authenticator? They want your account to be double secure, so that whenever you want to withdraw on this platform, they will ask for that Google Authenticator. And peradventure you don't know how to open Google Authenticator. Just go to YouTube and search for how to link account or platform to Google Authenticator. So once you have done that one, the next thing now is for to start depositing on this platform. And for you to deposit on this platform, you will need to come to this three search bar here. This three search bar here, you need to click this three search bar here. You click on it. When you click on this three search bar here, you are going to see home, transaction, partner, support service. So you need to click on the transaction. You click on transaction. And when you click on transaction here, you are going to see add fund, withdraw, cryptocurrency exchange. So, or better still, you leave that one as it is. So you click on it again. You click on home again. When you click on home, then it means you are going to come back here. Then under the flat, you are going to see $0.00. So the down arrow here, you need to click that down arrow. You click on this down arrow. When you click on this down arrow, you are going to see add fund. You click on the add fund. When you click on the add fund, it's going to come in this form. You are going to see a payment system for depositing flash currency, US dollar. So if you move down now, you are going to see different cryptocurrency which you can use to deposit here. So you are seeing it here right now. You are seeing Albashile USDD. So once you have done that one, you are seeing Canado. Once you have seen that one, you are seeing Binance coins. You are seeing the Bitcoin coins. You are seeing the Bitcoin Cash. You are seeing the Dash. You are seeing the Dodge. You are seeing the Ethereum ETC. You are seeing the Litecoin LTC. You are seeing the Moron SMR. You are seeing the Polygon this, and so on and so forth. These are just the different platform you can use to deposit on this platform. Here right now, you can see here as it is. Now, if you move down, you're going to see Tron, TRN. So I want to show you this one. This is Binance USDC. And you are going to see it said cryptocurrency BEP20. So what you now need to do right now, once you are seeing all those one, you will need to click add funds. And when you click add fund here, just click add fund here. If whichever one you want. I don't want to choose for you. It is best for you to choose the one you like. But you can also see Binance. So what you now need to do now, you click add new address. You click on this add new address. When you click on this add new address, it's going to bring the address you are going to send the money to. Like here right now, you say your personal address for deposit. This is the personal address you are going to copy this one. Once you copy this one, you are going to go to your Binance account or BitGet, or Bitcoins or BitNot. For the purpose of this video, you guys that is not having a Binance or BitGet, there is a video I've done how to deposit on the BitNot. So you are going to use, if you use that BitNot, it's going to make things easier for you. There's no point for you to start changing from that point. There, you can deposit in your local bank account. And when you deposit in your local bank account, you just copy this account there. Then you go to BEP20. And when you get to BEP20, you put this account there. This account, once you put that account there, just send the dollars you want to send there. I've told you initially that the minimum deposit on this platform is $1. And in Nigeria, $1 is just 1,470 naira in Nigeria, which is a very minimum amount you can put on this platform, which I think if you lose 1,470 naira, it won't be any big deal for you. And so that's just how to deposit on this platform. So I want to show you the practical example of what I've just told you. So if peradventure I want to put $5 on this platform, at the end of 30 days, I want to know how much that $5 is going to be. So let me use my compound calculator here. On my compound calculator, I need to, where you are seeing money here, I need to put $5 here. So I put 5 there. Then for this, where you are seeing interest here, I'm going to put 1 here, which is 1%. Then for 30 days here, I'm going to put 30 days here, 30 days. So after I put in 30 days there, the next thing I need to do right now, I need to click on a calculator, calculate. So once you calculate now, you can see that if I put $5 on this platform in the next 30 days here right now, what I'm going to generate now is going to be $6.72. So if, for instance, now if I put $20 there, let me put $20 there, $20. Sorry. So I won't put in $20 there now. I click on calculate. So by calculating now, my $20 is going to use $26.96. Then what if I put $20 for 1 year? Here is going to be 365 days. 365 days. Then what I will need to do now, I need to click on the calculator. So I'm calculating now. For putting $20 in this platform for a year, I'm going to get $756.67. Like I told you the other time, the higher your income, the higher your compound interest here. You can see when I put $20 for 30 days, the thing yields $26. But if I put $20 there for a year, I'm going to get $755.67, which is just a simple calculation. So you can see that. Yes, I've taught you how to deposit on this platform. So what I will now need to teach you or to bring to take you through on this platform now is how to withdraw. And I want to believe that you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, what I will want you to do right now that is not going to even cost you any damn, just like this video, make your comment. I want to see your comments. Maybe you like this video or you don't like this video. If you like this video, I want you to share it to different platforms, which you are like Facebook, like Twitter, like Instagram or YouTube. As well, I also want you to give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. And peradventure you are watching this channel for the first time. So what I want you to do right now, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. I've taught you how to deposit on this platform. The next thing I want to teach you right now is how to withdraw. And for you to withdraw on this platform now, you are going to see three dash bar on your left hand side. So you click on that three dash bar. You click on this three dash bar here. When you click on that one, you are going to see home, transaction, partner, support service. You click on the transaction. When you click on transaction, you are going to see add funds, withdraw. You click on the withdraw platform, withdraw payment. When you click on this withdraw payment now, it's going to come up like, please select the payment system with which the payment will be made. So you need to scroll down. When you scroll down, just scroll down. When you scroll down here, you are going to see here, it's going to ask you payment details. Please select the payment system with which the payment will be made. So now you click on this payment details. Click on this one. When you click on this payment details now, then let's see how it's going to, what is going to bring you now. So you are now branching into this one. You click on this one. So when you click on that one now you're asking you the type of exchange. So what you want to withdraw here right now, withdraw payment, you put it here. When you put it here, the next thing now you need to do right now is just the amount you want to withdraw. And once you put the amount you want to withdraw here, the next thing for you right now is just to withdraw on this platform. I think you are enjoying this video. So if you are enjoying this video, that's just a simple explanation. If you are still watching this video up to this point, it means you like this video, and like I told you, the minimum of what you can deposit on this platform is just 1 USDD, which in Nigeria local currency is 1,470 naira. And it means you like the content. And in as much you like the content, and peradventure you are watching this video for the first time, I said what you need to do right now, that is not going to cost you any damn. Just subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So I want to believe you are like-minded people that want to scale your income. And in as much you want to scale your income, putting your $1 here, or you have seen, you can see that like I showed you the other time, if you put $20 there, at the end of a year, you are going to generate $755, which is okay. This is what you have not even touched for a year. You put $20 there, and that thing is able to yield you that huge amount, which is boresome. So, on this note, I want to bring this video to an end. So, if this is what you want, then I want you to give me a like once again, and make a comment so that other people will like the video and they will want to watch this video. So I will drop the links of this platform on my channel. So I haven't dropped that links on my channel. I will also drop it at my WhatsApp community, so that when you see that links, you can join that links through that platform, and you are going to start making money.